What is this?
Biryani chicken.
Okay. Yan lang kala talk in the Myanmar.
Yemame biryani alfifu.
Biryani al-fufuf. This one biryani cooking by Myanmar. Fufu. Okay guys, this one kind of boiling only, not fry. Different kind of cooking, but same recipe. Okay guys, but style is different. Nila po. But this one, the Philippines, adobo. Adobong sinabaw. Try it. Biryani chicken. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you for watching, guys. Hi, guys. Tingnan mo yung guys, ginawa kong cinnamon. Ang laki, guys, no? Diba? Ayan. Diba? Giant cinnamon. Thank you for watching. Yummy. With caramel and vanilla. Cream cheese.